These iconic movie scenes have been reimagined by an awesome AI tool.
Are you behind on your credit card bills? Good! Join Mars Immigration Program!
My name is Michael O'Pay Jobs, Commander of Endless Tasks, General of Pointless Meetings.
Previously, tasks like redubbing videos, rewriting video stories, and translating them were limited to professionals. But now, thanks to this single AI tool, anyone, even your grandma, can tackle these tasks. All she needs to do is upload a video or paste a link and type a simple prompt. The AI takes care of everything else. In this video, which lasts 10 minutes, I'll walk you through how to master this AI tool quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive in. Part 1. Vozo AI. First, go to Vozo AI, the official site for Vozo AI. You can see it recently earned the honors of #1 Product of the Day and #1 AI Product of the Week on Product Hunt. And this tool is designed for daily use by video creators, ad agencies, marketers, business owners, and educators. Here are 6 interesting examples to explore. With these, you'll see how this tool allows anyone to create a new version of an original video by modifying the script and redubbing it with the original voice using AI. This feature is perfect if you're looking to start a humorous YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram account and want to earn money online through social media without creating any videos yourself. For marketers and business owners, this capability means you can effortlessly revising your promo videos without re-recording or reproducing it and generating numerous variants for your existing video ads. Isn't it cool? Let me show you how to leverage these AI features. Simply click the Sign Up for Free button on the homepage. You'll need to use your Google account to register. Part 2. Rewrite and redub. From your account dashboard, select the Rewrite and Redub option. You can upload your own video by clicking the Drop to Upload button, or you can use a video URL from platforms like YouTube, Rumble, or Google Drive. Alternatively, you can choose one of their pre-made videos. For this example, I'll demonstrate using a video from the OpenAI YouTube channel. Simply copy the video link and paste it into the URL input section. You can manually select the language spoken in the video or use the auto detect feature. Next, specify the number of speakers or let the AI determine this automatically. Click the Continue button and Vozo AI will begin transcribing your video. Keep in mind that processing time will vary based on the video's length. Once the transcription process is complete, you can manually tweak the video script or ask the AI to revise for you. The AI can rewrite, refine, lengthen, or shorten the script and perform functions like find and replace, search, and remove. To do this, just click the AI button and select any pre-made prompt you prefer. Of course, you can also write any prompt to describe how you want the script to be modified. In this example, I'll demonstrate how to rewrite the script in a workspace comedy style. The AI will offer a preset prompt that you can tailor to your requirements. Click the Send button to start the rewriting process. The AI will then generate a new script based on your prompt or command. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate it by clicking the Regenerate button. If you are pleased with the revised script, click Apply to Script to replace the original script with the AI-generated one. On the editing page, click Update Speech. Once processed, you'll have a redubbed video featuring the lifelike original voice delivering your revised script. Fantastic! If you spot any glitches, you can make further edits to the script, such as deleting, revising, or adding words or sentences. Do remember to hit the Regenerate Speech button each time you made revisions. Also, be mindful of the length. If your changes significantly alter the original length, you may need to adjust the specific clip in the timeline window. By dragging the text block, you can adjust the speech pace to be slower or faster. You can also reposition it. I find this process incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. Additionally, you can adjust the speed, voiceover style, and tone of the selected script. Now, switch to the lip sync window. Click the lip sync button to start the processing. It may take some time, but the system provides an estimated wait time, allowing you to leave this window open and attend to other tasks. Once the lip sync is complete, click the export button. You can export the dubbed video or lip sync video and then click download to save it to your local computer.
We asked the live audience on X to submit a few requests for what they would like us to try out here. So I will take a couple of prompts. We asked our overworked team to submit a few requests for what they would like us to try out here amidst the chaos. So I'll take a couple of prompts while dodging the boss's ridiculous demands. Okay.
Part 3. Translate and redub. Besides rewrite and redub, Vozo AI also provides a translate and redub function and a repurpose function. There are over 8 billion people in this world who speak different languages. Translating your video can significantly expand your customer base. In the past, creating a dubbed video would cost a lot of money and take a long time, but with Vozo, you can do it in minutes. Follow me to learn how to use this function. From your dashboard, select the Translate and Redub option. You can either upload your own video or paste a link to get started. Next, choose the original language and the target language you want to translate to. You can select the number of speakers manually or use the AI's auto-detect feature. If needed, you can also add translation subtitles. Then, simply click Continue. In the correct text menu, you can fine-tune your translation results.
우리는 X에서 실시간 청중에게 여기서 시도해보고 싶은 요청을 제출해달라고 했습니다.
If you're not satisfied with the AI voiceover, click the Reclone Voice button to sample different voices. Choose the voice you prefer and click the Reclone Preview button to hear a sample of the redubbed voice.
안녕하세요. 이것은 재복제된 목소리 미리 보기입니다.
Once you've made your selection, click the Redub button to begin generating your new redub with the chosen voice.
그래서 몇 가지 프롬프트를 받아보겠습니다.
If you need to customize the redubbed voice manually, go to the Adjust Timing menu. You can adjust your translation timing easily by dragging the text block as needed. In the Subtitles menu, you can choose the subtitles style, font, size, animation, and subtitle break. After everything is set, click the play button to preview the result.
좋아요. 보트 가스켈과 GPT-4가 실시간 번역이 가능한지 알고 싶어 합니다.
Click Lip Sync button to get your video lip synced. Then click the Export button to export your AI translation video, and you can also download the SRT file if needed.
We asked the live audience on X to submit a few requests for what they would like us to try out here. So I will take a couple of prompts. 우리는 X에서 실시간 청중에게 여기서 시도해보고 싶은 요청을 제출해달라고 했습니다. 그래서 몇 가지 프롬프트를 받아보겠습니다.
Part 4. Repurpose video. Use case example. Last but not least, let me demonstrate how to use the Repurpose function. If you are lazy but still want to make money from social media, or if you are a long-form video creator who wants to expand your content reach, this tool is for you. It can transform a long video, such as podcasts, interviews, or speeches, into several short videos instantly. You can also easily turn landscape videos into portrait version with one click. Nowadays, short-format videos are a prime strategy for attracting more viewers and subscribers. If you want to boost your views, let me guide you on how to generate short videos easily. From your dashboard, select the Repurpose option. Then, paste your link or upload the video from your local computer. Click Get Shorts. Set your preferred video length, then choose a subtitle template that suits your style. If you need to target a specific segment of your video, enable the Select Time Range option and specify the desired time range. Next, hit the Start Clipping button to process your short video. You'll be presented with 2 results. Select the clip you prefer.
Hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking.
From here, you can also change the video ratio. The automatic reframing feature is amazingly accurate. Finally, do remember to export your work.
Hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Thanks for checking out this AI video editing tutorial. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to swing by my channel for more AI tutorial goodness. Have a nice day and bye-bye.